Merry Christmas from Marinado family! What's up mga guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Marinado Vlog. And for today's video, we're now celebrating a Merry Christmas for 2024. So guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin. Junito Marinado Vlog. Merry Christmas!
Uunahan ko na ba? Oh, ang nabunot ko, tatlong taon ko na siyang nabubunot. Lagi na lang siya yung nabubunot ko si Papa. Wala sabay kayo bumili niya eh.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas. Si Tito Josito.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Excited na ako mapuwan to.
Parang wala kang idea kung ano yan eh, no?
Hello, ang napulot ko ay si... Surprise, ha? Basahin mo sino to?
Sherlyn.
Ay, si Shirley! Wow!
1, 2, 3.
Ayun! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Ako pala na.
Excited!
Sige, si Mama na kasi may nabunot na ako.
Ako ang nabunot ko si Conan!
Wow, lagi na lang. Taon-taon.
Taon-taon si Brianna.
Taon-taon.
Wow!
Wow!
Tingin sa camera.
Tingin sa camera.
Wow!
1.
Parang pinabago lang yun, ha? Kamukha niya yung nasa upuan, ha?
Akin na. Nabunot ko ay si Ninang Abby. Yes! Ala! Picture kayo. Picture 18. Say thank you. Picture sila naman. Sir, picture na ba?
Don't cry. Picture. Right. Yes!
Okay.
Ulit ko ay si Tintin. Wow! Hirapan ako namin, si. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ang nabunot ko yung kamukha ko. Ayun.
O, sino yung kamukha mo? Wow, pareho sila ng buhok. At saka ngiti. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ay, kamukha ko. Ang napunod ko ay si Kuya Ma.
Kamukha mo? Ready, tingin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next.
Wala na.
Okay.
Oh,
Gift from Cherlyn.
Papa. This is yours.
Wow.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Alright.
Ting! Halika. From Chicken. Kaya dito kasi pa eh. Video ako sa dito.
Okay.
Thank you sa mga sponsors. So, meron tayo guys na crispy pata with chicken carbonara, kinilaw, grilled bangos and tuna with lechon kawali guys. Merry Christmas! Ano masasabi mo sa food? Wow! Wow! Ikaw, kumusta yung cook natin? Chairman.
Yes.
Chairman ng event.
Alright.
Ikaw, Paul, ano masasabi mo sa mga food? Hey! Hey! Wow! Hey! Ikaw, Mike.
Thank you po. Kumakain na.
Merry Christmas!
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa food? Hindi mo pa natikman.
Tikman pa lang.
A few moments later.
11:59 na guys. So magka-countdown na tayo. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas!
So meron tayong special announcement.
Alright.
Parang alam niyo natin special announcement.
Wow. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun?
Hindi pa nga.
Ayan na. Ito na. Wow! Meron tayong
Merry Christmas! Merry
Merry Christmas! Special gift from Yan and Nel Amigable!
Oh, no!
Yes! Oh my God!
Ano ba yan?
yan? Kasi may hawak na kamera. Tito Johnny! Thank you so much!
Thank you.
Yanel Transport Corporation!
Alright. Thank you so much.
Okay, next, Tita B!
Oh, no!
Wow, from Yanel Transport Corporation!
Wow, thank you. Merry Christmas.
Another from Yanel Transport Corporation, Chris Ivan! Wow! Alright, alright. And Kristen May!
Yay! Nag-aabang!
And last but not the least,
Picture ka
Charlotte,
muna.
Mike, and Brianna!
Yes!
Kasi Brianna.
Ay, tinga-tinga pa ako dito. Man lang.
I-post mo muna.
Ako nga rin.
Ay, kita mo yung oras. Hindi.
Mike.
From Yanel Transport Corporation,
Thank
Charlotte,
you.
Mike, and Brianna!
Merry Christmas!
Thank you, Yan and Nel.
Thank you, Ate Arian, Ate Emily. Merry Christmas!
Wow! Yes! Brianna.
Thank you. Say thank you. Thank you, Ate. Emily. Ate Arian. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Okay, thank you so much!
Thank you!
Another! Right to play gold!
Wow!
From Amigably Vlog.
Alright!
Okay. Tito Junior again.
Yes!
Thank you so much, Amicably Vlog. Merry
Tita
Christmas.
Bing.
Wow!
Yes! Oh, say thank you. Amigably Vlog.
Thank you.
Oh, Charlie and Mike and Brianna.
Mas excited na.
Thank you po!
Oh, thank you.
Thank you!
Yes!
Chris Ivan.
Yes!
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And Kristen
Ay,
May.
wow. Ay, ko naman hawak yan.
Oh, say thank you to Amigably
Thank
Vlog.
you, Mar.
Amigably Vlog. Wow, last but not the least.
Oh my God!
Ang kapal nito.
From Paul and Gladys.
Ang dami naman nila.
Tito Johnny again.
Thank you so much, Paul and Gladys. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. From Paul and Gladys, Tita B.
Thank you! Merry Christmas! Thank you, Paul and Gladys.
Okay, next is Jerlyn.
Si Brianna!
Jerlyn. Hindi na kayo walay pala.
May pangalan ko!
Thank you.
Thank you, Ate Gladys, Kuya Paul. Merry Christmas! Nakabukod sa akin!
Chris Ivan.
Thank you so much. Again and again.
Kristen May.
Thank
Siguro
you!
naman. Okay, last but not the least, Brianna.
Ay, wow! Thank you! Say thank you! Thank you po!
Okay, nanti pakuado na to. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much sa mga gifts.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you. His family.
Yes! Thank you!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! And that's our simple celebration of Merry Christmas 2024. Junito Mariano Vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa mga videos natin. Merry Christmas!